Couch stretch. The goal is to stretch our quad and hip flexor statically. We want to first start by going into a posterior pelvic tilt with our foot on a box or a bench and one foot out in front of us. From there, we're going to sit our weight back, taking deep breaths, again working on as much knee flexion as we can get in, as well as hip extension, pushing our hips forward. We want to make sure we do not arch our back to try to improve the stretch. We keep that posterior tilt with the neutral spine, and we just think of pushing our hips forward. The more we have our butt go back to our heel, the more difficult or intense this stretch is going to get. Breathing is an important component to lengthening tight tissue when you're stretching, so make sure to take deep breaths. Also, if you want to make this more of a hip flexor stretch, maintain that posterior pelvic tilt. Just shift all your weight to your front leg now, making sure that you think of hip extension and pushing your hips forward. For anyone with tight hips or quads, this is a wonderful stretch to lengthen that tissue.